Hey there, pocket knife fans. I've got another one for you. So this one was, I don't really know what to call it. It's kind of just a generic thing. This one was my dad's, and he passed away last year, so it's mine now. Um, and this is it. Just kind of like a fake bone handle sort of thing with a belt buckle clasp on the back and a locking blade. There we go. That's about it. There are these little things here. I'm not sure what those are. If anyone can tell me what they are, comment. Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.